Good day everyone, again this is Ricky and allow me to print this cycle count report by type this one. So let's go and click this option. And then report generation, are you sure to proceed and print the report? Click OK to proceed this one. And then let's wait for a while. The information below will display. Please wait, printing in progress. So let's wait until the process is completed. So the printing is done and this is the report for cycle count by type. So as you notice on your screen, we have finished goods and raw materials, this one, raw materials and finished goods, this one. So thank you everyone for watching my video and I hope you learned something new.